Hey everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. As usual, Senga Shifra. Please don't get tired to subscribe. Temuko wakungoberera, temuko wakunfollowinga. Mbagala nnyo, mbagalira ddala. Channel yange eno twogera ku bintu bingi. Twogera ku bintu bingi nga biri spiritual era nga bintu bya waka. Kye kibayita home spiritual remedies. Zoyinza okukozesaako okwewonya ebyo ne biba bigaanye. Tukitwale nti first aid esookerwako before nga tonabakola kirala. Baswitaati mbaagala nnyo, mwebale kunfollowinga. Tugamba nti buli lw'oba nga okola bino ebintu, make sure you have faith in you, you believe, you trust. Buli lw'obikola you find yourself nti olikola ebintu nga bitambula mu bulamu. So olwaliro tugenda kutunuulira ekibala kye bayita nutmeg. Nutmeg, everyone akubuuza what is nutmeg, what is bitter kola, what is alligator. Please you go to Google or typingemu alligator pepper, bitter kola, nutmeg, simanyi what, biteeke mu byonna. You put them all, prekese, hidden fruit, that is hidden fruit, but you can put them there. N'obakuleetera ekibala ekyo n'okiraba. So tuleeta kimu ku kimu engeri gy'okikozesaamu. If you're there suffering, oli eyo bonaabona, obulamu bugaanye, buli kimu kiri stuck, olaba you're not prospering, bano bakuyitako, gwe weka asigala awo, tobitegeera. Whenever you feel like you want to do something, your things get stuck. Whenever you want to do something, olabira ddala nga tosobola kikola, bantu bakuyiseeko. Mukwano ogenda kufuna nutmeg. Get nutmeg seeds, like 3 of them. Go and buy to spiritual shops. If you're there and you can't find these things, please just tap my number. Eri note 703 94 783. You can get me on WhatsApp. It is 0703 94 68 73. You can get me and we can get you those things, but dear, just not being able to be color. If you have faith, if you believe, nothing can fail out. You get the point. So chori no color, it is just you to get those things. Get your nutmeg, 3 seeds, pray to them, put them here, you pray, you command, let them do for you miracles. Leka zikukolera ebyamagero by'otamanyi. W'omaliriza okusaba, make sure that you put those seeds into your wallet, into your purse, into your bag, into your pocket. Anywhere you feel like you want money, anywhere you feel like you want to prosper, you can still put it into your safe box where maybe you keep your money. Anything, you will find yourself ng'oli kumalako. Everything is moving on well. Nga buli kimu olikikola nga bw'olina okukikola, you will find yourself happy. Your enemies will not prosper. Abalabe bo ojja bawangula, and they will not succeed in anything they want to do to you. Ojja kubeera nga waggulu waabwe, ojja kuba basinga. Mbaagala nnyo, Senga Shifra nga bulijjo. Thank you for loving me. Don't forget to subscribe, to follow, to share and comment. We are there to reply instantly.